Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily block someone in the TikTok app. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, we will need to open the TikTok app. And in order to block someone, the only thing you have to do is go to their profile by clicking on their image. Then, at the top of their profile, you'll find an arrow like this. Click on it. Usually this arrow means share profile, but here at the bottom you'll also see there's a little bit of a settings menu. And here we have a block button. So if we click on that, next we just need to confirm this action to block the person. And now, as you can see, we have that user blocked, and we can't see their posts. And we can't see his videos either. This is a very basic way to block someone in TikTok. I hope this video was useful for you. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you later.